It's essential to have easy access to the toilet facilities, especially when enjoying the great outdoors. Some of you may find it challenging to use a public restroom considering the recent pandemic situation. And during camping in the wilderness, you are far away from your home or a public restroom. But think about it. If nature calls, you need to answer it, right? And there's no better option than a portable folding camping toilet. Recently, we've had our hands on the TripTips portable folding camping toilet. And after using it for a while, we decided to make a video review just for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's get on with the rest of the video. Right out of the box, the TripTips portable folding camping toilet looks very durable and lightweight. It has a plastic bottom closure, plastic foldable bowl walls, a carry pouch, and some plastic bags. It has a compact and straightforward design with a high-quality ABS plastic and a smooth and slightly matte finish. This finish is the reason why this toilet has an enhanced anti-slip and wear-resistant performance. Apart from that, its ABS plastic design makes it durable yet lightweight. Because of its wide in size and twin crossover structure, we found it more stable and comfortable for use. And speaking of its weight, it weighs around 2.2 pounds and can hold up to 400 pounds of weight pretty quickly. It has a sturdy design. Let's see some of its specifications. To set it up, you need to unfold it. Place its secure bottom closer, put the plastic bag, and place the plastic seat on its rim. By the way, it's compatible with any 6 to 8 gallon plastic bag, which is why you can clean it up pretty easily. With its 2.4 inches folded height and lightweight design, it's amazingly portable and has a nice carrying bag, which allows you to carry it without any hassle. With a very straightforward, lightweight, and foldable design, the TripTips portable folding toilet is ideal for use on camping, hiking, boating, and long road trips. It delivers home-like comfort and can be the best traveling emergency solution for every camper or traveler. So that was our video review of the TripTips portable folding camping toilet just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.